Assalamualaikum class, I'm Aksa Hanif. I hope so that you all are fine and in good health. Today we are reading the chapter number 5, Matter and Changes in its State, and the topic is forms of moisture in the environment. Right? Today we will learn about the forms of moisture in the environment. Before starting the topic, this question arises always in your mind that how rain is formed, how fog is formed, how dew is formed, what are these things, how Allah has made these all the things that we see. So in this topic there is answer is every question you will learn about everything, that how rain is formed, how fog is formed, how dew is formed, how snow is formed. So there are many answers, so you will learn about these all the things in this topic. So this topic is very interesting, so make sure that you have to take the interest in this topic and you will enjoy a lot. Okay ji, now move towards our topic. First of all, what is moisture? Moisture क्या होता है? What is moisture? Yes, who will tell what is moisture? Anyone? Okay, fine. Yes, you tell. Okay ji. Moisture is like you refer to presence of water, mean the where small amount of water is present, that is known as moisture. That is known as moisture. That where small amount of water is present, that is known as moisture. Water can be found anywhere, like in air. Water can be found in air. Yes, like we say that humidity. So humidity means that in air sometimes we feel that in like air is like it is humid mean that the moisture is present, mean थोड़ी सी नमी होती है air में, right? Then we say that the air is humid, mean there is humidity, means that moisture is present. Okay, now here is what is moisture. As I have told you before, that moisture refer to presence of liquid like in traces amount. Traces amount mean in very little amount, that is known as moisture. Water can be found in the air. Air mean humidity, like the air which have the moisture, which have the water, that air we called humidity. Got it? ठीक है, उस एयर को हम क्या कहते हैं? ह्यूमिडिटी कहते हैं. ठीक है, इन फूड्स, इन कमर्शियल प्रोडक्ट्स. ठीक है, कमर्शियल प्रोडक्ट्स में भी फाउंड होता है. Okay जी, now there are forms of moisture is there, that there different forms of moisture is there. For example, dew, right? First of all, dew किसको कहते हैं? शबनम के कतरे. Snow, fog, frost and rain. The frost is the new thing for you, right? And we will learn about it. This one is very interesting thing. Okay ji, now first of all, dew is there. What is dew? Dew is tiny drops of water, like this small drops of waters are there, that are known as dew. Like okay, we take the example that whenever you wake up in the morning and you go to the morning walk and you see that in the garden, like in every plant small drops of waters are present, right? उसको हम यूँ प्लांट को यूँ हिलाते हैं. ठीक है, अब वो पानी के कतरे नीचे गिर जाते हैं. सो दैट इज़ नोन एज ड्यू. दैट ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर्स आर नॉट रेन वाटर, दैट आर ड्यू, राइट? उसको हम कहते हैं शबनम के कतरे. ओके, नाउ हाउ दिस ड्यू इज़ फॉर्म्ड? like dew is formed on the cool surfaces at night, which surfaces are very cold. At that surfaces dew is formed. Now you know about the condensation. That what is condensation? When the water vapors are changed into water droplets, that is known as condensation. You have already learned about the condensation before it. So condensation means that water droplets are changes, water vapors are changes into water droplets, that is known as condensation, right? Okay जी, now water vapors will condense. ठीक है, condense होते हैं मीन change हो जाते हैं into the droplets, right? Depending on the temperature, mean the condition is about the temperature, right? If the temperature is very low, if the temperature is cold, then these water droplets will change into these water vapors will change into water droplets, mean in the form of dew. But the condition is that temperature should be very low or temperature should be cold. Got it? This is known as dew. Now snow is there. That what is snow? Snow is atmospheric water vapors frozen into ice crystal. In the snow there is also the process of condensation take place, mean the water vapors will condense, water vapors will frozen down in the form of ice crystals. Mean here is the condition again that the temperature should be very low, right? It should be very low, it should be towards the minus, ठीक है. माइनस की तरफ टेम्परेचर जाएगा तो स्नो की कंडीशन आएगी, ठीक है. स्नो इज द एटमॉस्फेरिक वाटर विच कंडेंसेस और विच चेंज और विच फ्रोजन डाउन इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ आइस क्रिस्टल. दिस इज नोन एज स्नो. देन इट फॉल ऑन द ग्राउंड एज अ लेयर, ठीक है. इट फॉल्स ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड इट फॉर्म द वाइट लेयर. इट फॉर्म्स इन द fall on the ground in the form of small drops. It is known and it forms the white layer, and that layer looks very beautiful. And to see that layer we move towards the like northern areas to Murray or like towards the Kakan and the Naran, and we see that layer and the snow is very good looking. Okay, now that is snow is precipitation. What is precipitation? Yes, what is precipitation? Yes, you have read in the last lecture. What is precipitation? Who will tell? Okay, I will tell you now that precipitation means that when the water vapors condenses in the form of water droplets, and these water droplets become very heavy, right, in the form of clouds. ये water droplets together हो जाते हैं in the form of clouds, and that cloud become very heavy and it cannot hold the weight of that all the water droplets. Then this cloud fall, right? Then this cloud fall and it forms or released in the form of rain, in the form of snow, right? And then this snow is formed. Got it? Then fog is there. What is fog? Yes, हमारे सरगोदा में fog है, होती है हमारे सरगोदा में. Yes, it always in the winter the fog is there, and the foggy morning and the foggy night we see in December or January, and it looks very like charming or very beautiful, but it have the many disadvantages also. So fog is a thick cloud of tiny water droplets, like tiny water droplets suspended in the atmosphere or the earth's surface, right? And they form the like thick layer of cloud, ठीक है. cloud की एक layer होती है, right? जिस तरह बादल होते हैं उसी तरह fog की एक layer होती है, clouds की layer होती है, ठीक है. But it restrict the visibility mean like we cannot see to the far object, like or to the near object, right? When the fog is more, when the layer is more thick, then we cannot see even the near object, right? Fog can affect many human activities like shipping. Like shipping mean आपको पता है कि shipping क्या होती है, जब हम किसी चीज़ों को like things को दूर भेजते हैं, that is known as shipping, right? And travel and warfare and many other activities are there which are affected. Now the fourth one is frost. What is frost? This thing is the like a new thing for you. That what is frost? Frost is deposit of small white ice crystal formed on the ground. What does it mean? Frost is like small white crystals are formed on the ground, like when the temperature is very low, right? Then the like it is not snow, only the water droplets freezes. वाटर ड्रॉपलेट फ्रीज हो जाते हैं, I mean ड्यू जो होती है वो फ्रीज हो जाती है, दैट इज़ नोन एज फ्रोस्ट. तो हमको क्या कहते हैं? फ्रोस्ट कहते हैं कि वो आइस क्रिस्टल्स की फॉर्म में फ्रीज हो जाती है, दैट इज़ नोन एज फ्रोस्ट. फ्रोस्ट इज़ लाइक इट हैव मेनी हार्मफुल इफेक्ट. It can damage the crops, mainly it can damage the crops, right? And to reduce the like damage in the farmer region, they do the many different types of means to prevent its formation, like what they like do, they cover the plants at night, so there should be no frost layer on the plants when they wake up early in the morning. And the second thing, they give them the warm water, so the temperature should not be fall towards the minus, right? To keep the temperature at their even temperature, at their stable temperature, they give them the warm water, that the layer of the frost cannot be formed. Like, you know that the dew is formed when the temperature very low. So to keep the temperature, and the frost is the like the next step to the dew. ड्यू को हम क्या कहते हैं बेटा, क्रिस्टल्स कहते हैं, लाइक वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स कहते हैं, लेकिन जो फ्रोस्ट होती है दैट इज़ द इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लाइक फ्रोजन ड्रॉप्स. आप फ्रोजन ड्रॉप को भी आप क्या कह सकते हो, फ्रोस्ट कह सकते हो. ठीक है, जब ये फ्रोजन ड्रॉप क्यों फॉर्म होता है, when the temperature fall like below towards the minus, like टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रीजिंग हो जाता है, तो जो वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स होते हैं वो फ्रीज हो जाते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रोस्ट, दैट इज़ नोन एज फ्रोस्ट. Okay ji, now rain is there, and you all the people love the rainy season, you enjoyed the rainy season. Rain is condensation of moisture to like in the easy wording, what is rain? When the water vapors condense in the form of, when the water vapors condense into the, into which thing? Yes, into water droplets, that is known as rain. In the rain, precipitation also occur, mean that condensation take place and all the water vapors get together and they form the clouds, and the clouds become very heavy. They cannot hold the weight of all the water droplets, and then these clouds released, and there is rain occur, or it can be snow. When it depends on the temperature, like it depends on the every region temperature. If the temperature is like normal, then the rain come. If the temperature is below the freezing point, so the snow comes, right? It depends on the temperature. Temperature is a major component of water cycle and responsible for depositing most of the fresh water on the earth. You know that what is the water cycle at the like in the last lecture you have read about the water cycle, that condensation, there are 4 steps in the water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation and transpiration, right? And in this way we get the clean water on the fresh water on the earth due to water cycle. So rain is very important for the water cycle, for our environment. It provides suitable condition for many types of ecosystem as well as water for hydroelectric power plants. Right now it provides suitable condition for many ecosystem, right? It provides different types of in the ecosystem. You know that what is ecosystem? Ecosystem is that in which all the living organisms are present, mean animals are also present, plants are also present, human beings are also present. So ecosystem is that system. In the ecosystem, rain is very important thing. Important thing or not? Yes, rain is very very important thing. And as well as water for hydroelectric power plants. You know that energy is formed due to water. Energy is formed due to water, mean electricity is formed due to water. If the rain comes, then more and more water will be collected in the dams and we will generate more amount of electricity. So rain is very important for hydroelectric power plants. Okay ji, now first of all we should recall the lecture that I have told you about the moisture. Then I have told you about there are forms of moistures that they are dew. Then I have told you about the snow. Then I have told about the frost and fog and rain. And now your homework is there, that revise all forms of moisture in a very nice manner. And the main condition is about the temperature, that you will learn about the temperature, that what is the temperature in the dew, what is the temperature in the fog, and how fog will form at which temperature, if the temperature will normal, if the temperature will cold, or if the temperature will hot, right? So this things you will keep in mind, and you will learn about these things very easily. So condensation process occurs in all these forms of moisture, and you will not get confused and revise these all forms of moisture. Okay boys, thank you.